The Silentsystem 3-channel SX-808 headphones combine elegance and comfort with high sound quality. They are equipped with simple and essential controls, which we've summarized for you in this video tutorial. Move the button on the back of the left ear cup to turn the device on and off. On the back of the right ear cup, manage the selector for the 3 different reception and listening channels, indicated by the colors blue, red, and green. Adjust the volume independently with the potentiometer wheel for a personalized and always pleasant listening experience. Use the mini jack input for a direct connection or to share your audio with another wired headphone set. The SX-808 headphones are ideal for a wide range of applications, including conferences and meetings, translations and guided tours, education and teaching, cinema, and concerts.